Here are 4 tips to help you connect the right message to each target. First, focus on benefits and solutions. Reference things that your target market wants. Second, focus your message on your target market. Remove any impersonal messaging and focus the message on the recipient, not some generic other group. Third, craft a crystal clear message. Graphics can attract attention, but don't let them overwhelm your marketing to the point where your message isn't being communicated. Fourth, use headlines and subtitles. Make them stand out using interesting information and compelling language. Standing out from the clutter of real estate marketing and growing your business will be a constant challenge for you as an agent. Thinking through the best way to maximize your opportunities and being smart about how you approach open houses can make a difference in your business.